Hey y'all, it's Craft of All Things, and I am back with another beginner-friendly tutorial. I have been getting so many questions on how to create a cut file using a multiple color or multiple layered image. Okay, last week I showed you guys how to make a cut file from a single layer or a single color image. So today is the day that I will teach you guys how to do the same exact thing with an image that has more than one color, okay? So essentially all that we are doing is separating each color with its own layer. Prime example, if you have 4 colors in one image, you need to have 4 different layers. Today, we are going to be working with the American flag. Of course, that is always red, white, and blue. So I should have 3 different layers. I should have a blue layer, a white layer, and a red layer. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image, which is the American flag. And after that, of course, you are going to complex as always. Press continue, and we are going to work with the white layer first. Take your wand removal tool and remove all of the parts that are not white. So the red and the blue has to go because we are only focusing on creating our white layer. Press continue after doing that and save it as a cut image. Okay. Now we're going to be working with the red layer. Upload that same image again. And then, of course, you have to press complex and then press continue. Now we are going to take our wand and remove the parts that are not red because we are only working on the red layer right now. So essentially, you would keep doing this same exact process until you get each color with its own layer. So you're basically re-uploading the same image for each color that you have. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. Use our eraser to get rid of the white part. Again, work smart. If there are little crevices or tight spaces that you need to get into, zoom in. Okay, still see a little bit of lines that I forgot to take out. So I go back and forth between removing and saving it as a cut image because sometimes I see little lines and stuff that I didn't take out. So I'm a perfectionist. I like to be precise as possible. Okay, think I'm good now. So you're going to save that as a cut image. Do the same thing. Upload the same exact image. Okay, and now we are going to be working on the blue layer. This is our last layer. So you're going to upload your image, press complex, press continue, take your wand and remove anything that is not blue. That means the white stars have to go, the stripes, all of that has to go. All right. This process may seem a little bit longer than when you're dealing with single layer, but that's because when you're doing single layer, it's only one color that you're working with. All right. So the more complex your design is, the more colors that you have, the more time that you have to put in, okay, to edit your images. So right now we're going to go ahead and remove those white stars out of our blue box because we've already gotten the white stars by itself already. It was our first layer. So All we need is the blue right now. Make sure you're focusing and not missing any spots. Okay. And when you get to the part after this where it asks you, do you want to save it as a print and cut or just a cut image? If the edges are blotchy on any image, you would do the same thing that I taught you last week, which is to put the reduced color to 2 and then bring the color tolerance value to 150. So that still stands, okay? Because you want to make sure you have everything detailed, smooth edges, looking neat. So when it comes to fixing the blotchy edges and rough edges, that still stands. It still stays the same. All right, gonna get rid of these lines with my eraser. Almost there. And once you get the hang of this, you'll be going so fast with it. Okay, almost done there. Trying to focus, make sure I get all the lines. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Press continue. Oh, still some more lines on the side. I didn't even see that. Gotta be careful, making sure you're paying attention. Okay, let's see now. Perfect. So you're going to save that as a cut image. And now you have your 3 different layers because we had 3 different colors, red, white, and blue. You're going to go ahead and upload all the layers that you created into your canvas. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and put the color to each layer. That'll be white and the other one will be red. So now we have our 3 colors. And I'm going to arrange this because I just want to show you guys how everything comes together. Okay. And there is your cut file for multiple layers or multiple colors. So we kept uploading the image until we finished creating our cut file for each color, okay? Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for your time. If you have any questions or concerns, I have no issue with answering them. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and God bless.